gonna weigh you. Okay. Sit back. Okay. 3 not to fall out. 301. Fed your pellet. Have you? Fed your pellet. So hi guys, welcome back to our channel. How you all been? Good, I hope. How you all after the heat wave that we've had? Luna was really hot, so he spent a lot of the time in his aviary keeping cool, didn't you? Good boy. But he's cool now. He had a bath in the rain earlier on, because it's been raining up here. Well done. Nice. People's watching you. Yeah. He says, thank you for everybody watching. He says, I like making videos for people, don't you? Yeah, you do. Yeah, you do. We still have his wild girlfriend coming, and we also have discovered, come on, he's always lazy with that bit. We've also discovered that, you know how we have a cock pheasant called, who are named Red, because he's got a red back. It's original. We have now discovered that we'll have 2. Drop it if you don't want it. Oh no, it's going to have it. Oh, hey. Oh, there we go. Might be better. Come on, get that eaten. So back to what I was saying, guys. Yeah, we'll have 2 cock pheasants coming. And last night, Graham had said to us that our Red had been yesterday morning. And I said, oh, that's good, because we hadn't seen him the day before, but we'd heard him. So that was good. Anyway, I went out to put some more corn out for him, and I noticed that he had a broken tail feather. Okay. Quite a few bits of his tail was broken off, so I was like, oh, that's strange. He's either had a fight with another pheasant, or he's had a fight of some, like a fox or something, tried to grab him. So I was telling Graham about it, and I took some photos of his tail, and Graham had said to me, oh, it must have just happened because his tail wasn't like that this morning. And I said, oh, right. So we didn't think anything more about it, and away he went off. And I said, Graham had said to me this morning when I got up, oh, Red's been back, but it's not the Red with the broken tail, it's a Red with the full tail. So we've now realised we actually have 2 cock pheasants coming for the food, which is really unheard of, because they are territorial and they will fight to keep their territory in the girls. But the Red that's always come. Yeah. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to go and eat this. Hey, here. Good lad. This morning Graham had said the one that was there was the one without the broken feathers. So obviously the one with the broken feathers is coming on in the morning, the one with the broken feathers is coming on at night. So I don't know how that's going to work. Obviously we'll feed both of them, but the main one without the broken tail feathers always has a girl with him, where the broken feathers doesn't have anything. So yeah, which was a bit bizarre. But they both got fed, didn't they? Yes, they did. Yes, they did. So this guy has been no bother. As I say, the heat was really hot for him. And I put some water out for him and he had a bit of a bath. And he enjoyed that. I've got to upload footage of that maybe one day next week, maybe Sunday. I'll update it. Yay! Yay! We're trying to get to 100 subscribers, aren't we? Yeah. Because any money we make off YouTube, we're going to give to the Barn Owl Trust, aren't we? That's what we're going to do, guys. We're actually going to give money, whatever I make off YouTube, to the Barn Owl Trust. I think it's quite apt. Luna doesn't need anything. As long as he's going to breed. We're going to see him, guys. There we go. With the glove down. Can you hear the little noises that he's making? Obviously, we'll be holding on to his feet. Finished. That was quick. Are you bored with that now? Are you bored with that? Yeah? You're bored with that? He says, what? What's all that about? He's like, what you doing, man? Where you going? He's nibbling on me finger. He's so gentle. You can get a bit funny. Shh. 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 Good boy. So guys, I'm going to love you and leave it, and we will see you in the next one. He's quite happy on my shoulder there, which he'll soon jump down when I go back outside to go in his area. He'll go straight in his house. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe if you haven't already, hype it if you haven't, and also leave a comment. It really does help the channel. Once again, any video requests, let me know and I'll do my best to do them for you. So I hope you've enjoyed this video from me and this flappy boy here, and we will see you all. It's got my hair all over in a later date. Bye guys. I'm going to say bye. Shh. Say bye. Shh. No, he's not. Okay, see you later guys. Bye.